Here comes the Maltese. Take a stick, leave about 10 centimeters in length. Make 3 circles around the index finger. Cross the short stick and the long stick. Make the second and third circles a little bigger. The long stick goes through these 3 circles to make the Maltese's ears. Leave 1 finger wide to make his ears. Then make the left ear. It's the same as going through 3 circles. Leave 1 finger wide. Make the ears a little sharp. The long stick goes around from the back. Make the first circle a little flatter. Pass the stick through the second and third circles. Cross the short stick and the long stick. Make the 4 legs of the Maltese. Make the front leg first. Make 2 circles around the body. Then make the hind legs. The rest of the part goes around the body of the Maltese. Be sure to tighten it. Use the wide hole stick to tighten the end. Tighten the 4 legs of the Maltese. Twist the left and right legs in the opposite direction. Next, use the wide hole stick. Cross the face, the second circle, and the third circle. Adjust the shape with your hands. Pick up the tail. Put the limbs down. Lift the head. Next is the hair selection. Use the wide hole stick to pick out the hair on the head, especially the hair in the mouth. Make his head look fuller. We use the rabbit hair twist to separate a section. Make a Maltese wig. Cut into small pieces. Pass it through the ears. Wear 2 pieces. You can make a small braid. Wear 2 pieces in each ear. The left and right sides are braided into 3 pieces. Use a rubber band or spring to fix it. Use a brush to comb the hair. Brush according to the direction of the hair. Next, use a curved scissor to trim the hair. Trim the position of the nose and mouth. Comb the hair on the nose and mouth. Cut shorter with scissors. Be sure to trim it a few times. Make the position of the mouth and nose rounder. Adjust while trimming. Trim the hair around the eyes. Trim the messy hair around the ears and braids. Make it look more neat. Use a brush to trim the hair around the legs. Trim a few times. Use scissors to trim the messy hair. Don't trim it too much. Trim a few times. This will make the dog look chubbier. Use a rubber band to position the nose. Next is the nose and eyes. Use a rubber band to position the eyes to prevent sticking. Use a rubber band to position the eyes to prevent sticking. Cut out the mouth of the Maltese. Attach a cute little tongue. Put on a pretty little scarf. Put on a bow and accessories. A beautiful and cute Maltese is done.